One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I got here for you today, it's a 2001 Dodge Durango SLT. And this is one of the ones I've got in lately where I took this in trade and it's got higher miles than higher miles than I'm used to dealing with. I'll give you a once around here. Then I'll go up close, show you any dings, dents, damages, stuff like that. It's a pretty clean little rig. It's got leather interior. You see the brush guard there. It's got a tow package on it. It's V8, 4x4, and I guess runs good, drives good. I haven't taken it too far. I haven't drove it down the road much. Everything works, drives, shifts, stops, and it's a clean rig. Got the running boards, a lot of neat little additions. However, it's cheap because it's got 236,000 miles or something around there. You'll see in a minute. And I don't know. You'll see the price up in the top there. Check that out. And it's cheap. It runs good now, but I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. I don't want somebody to hate me over it when you have a power steering pump or a brake booster or an alternator or a hose or a belt or who knows. Runs good now, who knows later. Here we go. I'm going to show you everything wrong with it that I see. Got a hole in it right there. Miscellaneous chips. Smacked it right there. Lots of little chips, rock chips type thing. Small crack in the grill. More chips across the front. Rock chips. Clear coat peeling there. And a little scuff and a scuff. I'm going to show you underneath it. This is held on with zip ties. Pretty clean. V8. I'll show you that in a minute. It's hard at this time of day to go down the side because it puts my shadow in it. But pretty dang straight, but they bumped it right here. Be able to see it better from the other side. There's a dent here. Here it kind of rubbed along there. Let me get down here and come back at it. Sticker residue. Clear coat peeling across the back. A little corrosion starting on the edge of the glass. There's the top for you. Roof rack. Pretty straight. Factory mud guards, still there. That's rare. Ding there. And little scratches here where they rubbed it right along something here. Corrosion starting where the paint came off. Really can't tell from afar, but it was a pretty, that little streak comes right there. It's not so bad there, it's worse here. Actually, that is kind of a factory line. It really starts right about here. Trim missing down the side. Wheel wells. It's a very clean little truck. Different coloration of the plastic there. Little piece missing of paint. Chip, 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 chip. Chippity chip, chip, chip on that. Under the back. Got the tow package. Stickers or emblems are delaminating. Ding there. Miscellaneous little scuff, scratch type thing. Sticker on that. We can peel that off there if you want. I didn't put much into this. Chips. I just wanted to move it down the line as cheap as I could. The more we do to it, the more I have to charge. It is dang straight on this side. Clear coat peel. More starting there. Trim missing. Ding, ding. Little Dodge thing there. That's kind of cool. The pinstriping is all going away. Going down the sides. And other than that, dang, it's straight on this side. There might be a little... No, it's the way this comes down. Wow. Oh, and right here. You know, if you polish this thing, it'll look good. We didn't polish it. We didn't do nothing to it. I can also take those off if you want. Whatever you want. You're the customer. This is just coloring a little bit. That's nice chips in the door. Stuff like that. Little guards on the door edge there. So that is the truck. It's the outside. I'll show you underneath it. Tires, the three of them match. They're a backcountry all-terrain, and they got a lot of tread in them. 3 of them match. And the other one is a BFG, and it looks to be brand spanking new, but there's a little dry rot, I think, starting right in there. Just see a little bits in there. It's not real bad, but I don't know if I'd trust it for long. See, it's even got little titties on the side and stuff. So, and deep tread, but I don't know about that. So, I'm gonna be upfront about everything I can on this. I'm gonna show you everything on the truck. We'll look at the interior next. I gotta wait for the sun to go down to where we don't have shadows on everything. So, that's the deal. The paint is flying off there from like little road gravel and stuff, flying up. And this is a little wavy, I guess you'd say. And I'm assuming the other side is too. I just noticed that. Not really as wavy, but you can see clear coat peel in there too. I just want to show you everything on this truck. We ain't got no surprises. Here we are another time of night, kind of looking more shadowy and such. Wanted to get you a look here too, to where you can see how it looks in all the different angles. And what are you doing?
I'm just here.
You're just here? And that's the gist of it. Looks good in the daylight, looks good in the night light. So, another kind of once around. Then we're going to go ahead and look at the interior. Be careful, mister. You just don't la 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 me. Crazy kid. Careful. I know you got all the way on the top. So, there's your other look around. And let's go look at the inside of it. Door panels are in great condition. Okay, under the hood is in great shape. Motor looks good and everything. That's that. Here we go to the test drive. Or maybe I already put it in. Who knows? Also, I didn't notice right here, there's a dent also. On the interior, door panel, great shape. All the power options, power mirrors, power windows, all that. I'll go over that with you when we're on it later. Dash is in great shape. Not all cracked up or anything. A lot of these get really cracked up. You got the tweeters and everything up here. Remember, right, these have an infinity system. Seats, the interior's in good shape. It's wearing through there. You got some rollover here. No really tears except for right there and right here starting in. That one. Backs of the seats are in great shape. Locks missing. Heated seats, huh? I didn't know that. And this one here. Door panel's great shape. Oh, wow. Door panel's great shape. This window is propped up and there's tape residue around it, so you can't roll it down. It needs a regulator. I can do that for you, but it's going to cost a little bit of money. Headliner's in great shape. Little wear marks. Some stains. Looks like it's from a baby seat being in here. Stains on the carpet. A guy could shampoo the carpet, really get into this, but like I say, I didn't do anything to it really. It's a clean rig. On this, the back latch doesn't work, so you pull on this and it comes up. Piece of wood in here, and these fold down, both of them. Third row, so you got third row seating. And it's just a clean little rig. It really is. I changed my camera settings to where I can try and learn here. That's the back seat. And these fold down too, and I think these actually come up. You haul plywood in here, man. Air vents in the back. That's nice to have. Console, buckets in the console. You got the original books here. I'm gonna get a picture here. Also has a Kenwood deck. Really?
Yeah, I wanted my...
The tint is peeling right here a little bit.
Almost get crushed.
A little bit on that side too, right there.
And but this...
No, come here. Let's go. I'm doing a
is
video.
my favorite car.
Is your favorite car?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
I have two favorite
that's that.
cars.
Hope you've seen the cheese. Okay, well that's the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are.
Do it over again.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Make sure and like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And check out the webpage, oneownercarguide.com.
Swipe, what are you waiting for?
Right? What are you waiting for? So like, subscribe, comment, check out the website, oneownercarguide.com. Lots of pictures. 406-546-8748. Call me up, buy this truck, look at the title. It's cheap. You ain't gonna find nothing like this. Third row, 4x4. Woo.